your van may be equipped with our optional Webasto Air Top EVO 40 heater. This heater is controlled by the SmartTemp 2 controller here on the wall, and it's a great way for making your van nice and comfy inside, no matter the temperature outside. This thermostat is incredibly easy to use. It has two main buttons, one on the top, one on the bottom, and then a dial that you can rotate here on the outside of the bezel. Select your temperature by turning the bezel, pressing the select button down here on the bottom, and then pressing the Webasto button to turn on the heater. When the heater is heating, you'll see the red lights on either side of the heater turn on, and these will shut off within a few minutes to help conserve power. In order to turn off the heater, you press the Webasto button again and wait for the lights to turn off on the side of the dial. We install our heaters underneath the passenger side seat of the van. This allows for optimum airflow while still keeping the heater out of the way. Important things to remember is this is the exhaust port of the heater. No actual carbon monoxide comes out here, that comes out the bottom of the van, but this still does get hot, so make sure you keep any items away from it. Can melt plastic if things get held against it for too long. The fresh air intake of the heater is here up at the passenger seat. It's important to be kept clear of any debris. There's a grate on the front of it, but things like hair and dirt particles can get into the heater and cause issues long term. These heaters have built-in altitude control, so you can dial in whether you're up at a mountain trailhead or down at the beach and get the best fuel-air mixture so that you're burning the most efficient as possible. They're connected to your vehicle's fuel tank, so there's no auxiliary fuel tank to fill up. From time to time, the heaters could have some issues and they might need to reset. Simply pull the fuses down at the electrical panel to reset the system. Usually, doing this once or twice gets the system back on its feet. For more information about this, there's error codes, and the customer experience team at Dave & Matt Vans is always happy to give you a hand.